Hey guys, welcome back. Today we got another quick one. I don't know if you could see on the screen, but over here we have a nail in the tire, and it's kind of tiny. And I'm going to show you real quick how to get rid of these issues and patch it with these things that they sell at the store. Okay, first thing we gotta do is we gotta remove the nail and expose the hole. So that's what's been causing our problem. So we're going to do something kind of counterintuitive here. And now we got to make the hole bigger. So that way we can patch it. Before we let the air out, let's go ahead and ready the one-way plug installation device. Tire repair plug, and we kind of thread it through here as such. About halfway, and I'm gonna get it to fit better. I don't know if the hole's gonna be big enough. Roughing it up a little bit. Hear the air getting out of there. There we go. Okay, we have penetration. Okay, let's about most of the way in. Now leave like an inch of overlap. Now you pull it out. There we go. Nice and easy. That should hopefully take care of the mystery leak we've been having for months on end. And now, take a razor or box cutter and just kind of cut off this exposed end so that it doesn't work itself out. Okay. Alright, hope that helps you. Good luck.